Hi, this is Tim Box, remedial hypnotist and creator of the control system. And I've been back in the UK about a week now. Just got back from the very first control workshop trainings that we've run outside of the UK. They were run at Rob de Groof's clinic in Belgium. We did 3 days, 3 separate one-day trainings for people out there to learn how to get control of their own patterns of thought and patterns of behaviour. And that's what the control system is. It teaches you to get control of you. This isn't about there's something wrong with me and it needs fixing. This is about I'm awesome, but how am I going to upgrade further as I go through my life? The control system represents an extremely fast, direct, and simple to use tool to make instant changes in the way you're thinking. Now, the weekend we've run was absolutely fantastic. We had 27 people making life-changing alterations to their patterns of thinking. And not just that, but taking away the tools to do it more for themselves in the future. But the reason we did 3 days rather than the initially planned 2 days was that it booked up really, really quick and there was a demand for the extra day. So this is why we are doing it again. On April the 7th, and 8th, the Saturday and Sunday of that weekend, we're going to run 2 more control workshop trainings at Rob's clinic in Belgium. Anything that you would traditionally go to see your common or garden hypnotherapist to get changes in the way you think, such as fears, such as anxieties, depression, confidence issues, bad habits, all the things you would traditionally go and see a hypnotherapist for, you can use the control system to do for yourself. So if you want to learn a simple system of upgrading your patterns of thought, changing things about the way you think, the way you feel, the way you behave, then get booked on, because as we know, these book up fast.
Some of the things I've witnessed today were pretty amazing, and it's nice for someone to be able to kind of give you more like a toolkit that you can kind of take and do this stuff yourself.
And it is truly kind of like a miracle strategy really that Tim's put together.
Fantastic day and expertly delivered by Tim.
It was absolutely amazing. Absolutely recommend this day to anybody who wants to make positive changes about who they feel about themselves, about how they feel about their life.
Control system is a fantastic way of encapsulating all that knowledge and learning to be self-sufficient and learning to do it for yourself.
So if you're interested in not just changing something on the day, but getting control of you going forward, then get booked up on this day, and I really look forward to seeing you there.